Here comes your pre-market summary for Friday, February the 3rd. It is Jobs Day. Get set for January non-farm payrolls numbers coming out at 8:30 Eastern this morning. Market still in negative territory here, but we are off the lows, heading in the right direction, back to the upside after Amazon, Google, and Apple all missing with their earnings reports after market yesterday. Here's how things are setting up right now. 0.5% only for the S&P 500. Could be a lot worse. 0.17 for the Dow, the NASDAQ. 0.8 now. It was 1.2 when I sat down here first thing this morning. Still in negative territory, obviously. Positivity bottom of the board here. Bitcoin, Ethereum extending gains from yesterday's session. Nice bump there for crude oil. Got it back into positive territory as well. That's how the overall market's setting up. 2-3 days now straight to the upside for the S&P and the NASDAQ. There's the Qs 3 days in a row coming off that one down day so far this week. Still a positive week, obviously, but we'll see how today turns out after all eyes on big tech, all eyes on a number of earnings misses here. One from Apple. They're forecasting another drop in revenue after reporting a drop in revenue in their December quarter. We'll talk about Amazon here, maybe the worst off so far this morning, downside for their forecast and numbers right across the board. Ad revenue for Google right across the entire platform, including revenue. Pretty disappointing here. Huge day yesterday, but back to the downside we go. Maybe exaggerating some of these negative moves so far this morning was the size of the moves we saw yesterday. Interesting story here for Nordstrom's we'll get into as well. JWN up huge so far this morning. Ryan Cohen said to be building a stake. GameStop's Ryan Cohen said to be building a stake in JWN, looking to make some changes as far as the board is concerned. So up about double-digit percentage anyways so far this morning. Ford to the downside this morning. That's an ugly number. Q4 profit fell 90%. Forecast not good for Ford. We'll have a look at that coming up. And there's an investigation, lawmakers in Washington looking into SI once again for its dealings with FTX. Hasn't been accused of any wrongdoing at this point, but just an investigation right now. So Silvergate downside once again this morning. Hit that QR code, bottom of the screen, guys. Get the watch list every single day for free. Non-farm payrolls coming up at 8:30. We'll see you then on TraderTV.Live.